This is my first month check-in with my skincare rolling project 10 pan. Stay tuned, we have some major updates to go through. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video is my first check-in for my skincare rolling project 10 pan. I have the goods right here and I have some major updates for you, so why don't we just get on into the video. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well, it'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Right, so about 2 weeks in to starting this project 10 pan, I had an update and I filmed it, so let's go and have a little look-see at that first. I have used up 3 of the products already, which I am so happy about. So yes, I have this. It is the Probiotic by Doctor's Formula, the Repairing 12-Hour Protection Moisturiser. And I am going to be replacing that with this. So this is by GlossyBox. GlossyBox do a skincare range, and this is their 3-in-1 moisturiser. This plumps, primes and protects. This is the Pixie Collagen Tonic. Again, all gone, which makes me so happy. I am going to be replacing that with this. This is by the brand Sukin, and it's the original Hydrate and Mist toner. It has chamomile and rose in it. It's paraben and alcohol free. Last but not least, for this little check-in, we have this. It's by the brand Monoskin, and it's the Rosewood Reviving Mist. All gone, all used up, and I am going to be replacing it with this. So this is by the Organic Pharmacy, and it's the Hyaluronic Acid Serum, plump and hydrate. To quickly mention as well, these are going to be in my January Beauty MDs video, which is already out and posted. I will link it just there. If you want to see what other beauty products that I have used up, go and check it out. So there we go. I was actually really happy to just get a few weeks in and start finishing products. It felt amazing. And I have some major updates again. So we're going to go through product 1 to 10 now, and yeah, get a total update and what we have here. I have some new products to swap in for some old products that are now used up, because I have used more up, which is fab. So let's get into it. So the first product we are going to start with is this. So this is by the brand Veda, and it is the Pineapple Gommage Peeling Gel. As you may see, it is looking very empty, and that is because it is. So that is another one for the bin. Decided to replace it with this. So this is by The Body Shop, and it is their Drops of Light Pure Resurfacing Liquid Peel. Yeah, I've had this ages, maybe too long if I'm honest, but I am going to try my best to get it used, because I don't like wasting products. So yeah, I can't see in it, but I'd say it's about less than half left. I have measured this already, and this, as it stands at the moment, weighs 135 grams. So this is the first product. So the second product I have is from the update that you've just watched a few minutes ago, and it is this. So this is by the brand Sukin, and it is the original Hydrating Mist Toner, chamomile and rose. It's alcohol free and paraben free for all skin types. So I don't think I mentioned when I swapped this out for an empty product in my check-in, but at the time it weighed 53 grams, and at the moment it now weighs 42 grams. So I've managed to use a fair bit, if I'm honest, which I'm really happy with. Not a lot to go now. The third product, again from the check-in that I done a few minutes ago, is this. So this is by GlossyBox and it is their 3-in-1 moisturiser. It plumps, it primes and it protects. So when I showed you this in the check-in, this weighed 42 grams, and as it stands at the minute it now weighs 38 grams, so I've managed to use a little bit. It feels like there's not a lot in here at all. I'd say it's probably about up to here. So yeah, that is great. The fourth product I have is this. This is by the brand Able Skincare London, and this is the anti-aging, resurfacing and retexturing duo moisturiser. So let's have a look. So in my induction video this weighed 36 grams, it now weighs 28 grams, and again this feels like there's just a little bit left in there. So yes, I can't wait to get this used up. It's been really nice on the skin, you know. I've been really liking it. The fifth product we have is this. So this is by the brand Estee Lauder, and it is their Advanced Night Repair Serum. It is all gone, all used up, and I freaking loved using this. To replace it, the fifth product will be this. So this is by the brand Freshly Cosmetics, and this is their Blue Radiance Enzymatic Serum. So yes, I really can't wait to get that used. It's up to there, if you can see. I've had it a little while. From what I can remember, this smells gorgeous. Let's just refresh my memory. Yeah, it really does. It really does. Just blueberries. That's what it smells like to me in any way. So yeah, from what I can remember using it, I think it pills, if I'm thinking correctly. Hopefully we'll give it another go, because as I say, I don't like wasting, I want to get it used. Hopefully it won't pill again. But yes, I love the packaging as well, it's really cute. The product I have is this. So this is by the brand Doctor's Cosmeceuticals, also known as Doctor's Formula, one of my favourite skincare brands out there. And this is their Power Actives Turmeric Lotion. And guys, it is all gone. Another empty we do have. We will be replacing that product with this. So this is the new 6th product, and it's by the brand Urban Veda. This is their Purifying Day Cream, Neem and Botanics, to detoxify congested skin. That's a tongue twister and a half. But yeah, that's what we've got in there. So I've weighed this. And let's have a look. This weighs 153 grams at the moment, and we'll see what it is at the next check-in. 7th product I have is this. So this is by the brand Skin Chemist London, and it is their Youth Series Green Caviar Serum. Yeah, it's looking very squished because it's very empty. Another one for the bin. So what I've decided to do, this is a new product, but I am going to be replacing that with this. I've got this in a beauty box recently, and I really want to try it out because it claims that you're going to see noticeable differences on your under eye, dark bits under your eyes within 7 days. I need to test that out. So yes, I am moving this into my Rolling Project 10 pan, even though it's a brand new one, because we're going to try it out. So it's by Ren, and it is their Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. And I have weighed this, and it weighs 36 grams at the moment, brand new. So yeah, let's get the test on and see if we can see a difference within 7 days. Fingers crossed we do. I'm hoping, because I really like this brand. So the 8th product I have is this. So as you saw in the updated little clip that I played, this is one from that update. So this is by the Organic Pharmacy, and it's Hyaluronic Acid Serum, Plump and Hydrate. So when I measured this, where is it? It weighed 88 grams. At the moment it stands at 78 grams. So since that little mini update, I have managed to use 10 grams, which I'm really chuffed with. And I absolutely love hyaluronic acid. I absolutely love it. So thumbs up. So product number 9 would have been this one, but I have used it up. It is empty, but this is by the brand Lush, and it is their Fairy Snow Body Lotion. Guys, this is amazing. I've just hit my nose with it, but never mind. It smells absolutely gorgeous. My skin absolutely loves it. Did I get any on my nose there? I don't think I did. But yeah, thoroughly recommend this. I really enjoyed it, and I can't wait to try more products by this brand. But what I'm going to be replacing that with is something else for the body, because we can't neglect the body. We are going to be replacing it with this right here. This is going to be the new 9th product, and this is by the brand Cantu, and it's for skin and hair. So it's going to be interesting trying to use this in my hair. I've never used anything like this in my hair before. And this is 100% pure, all natural cacao butter, raw blend with shea butter and coconut oil. Head to toe moisture. So I have used some of this before. I've only ever used this on my body. I think I might try it out on my hair. I don't know. I'll have to look into it. It hasn't got much of a scent on it, which I'm a very scenty person when it comes to my body. Obviously when I'm having a sensitive skin day, then hell no scent. But you know, this has got a bit of a scent on it. And it does smell nice. I just wish it was more stinky. But no, we are going to be using this, and like I say, I'm going to test it out not only on the body but on the hair also. The 10th and final product we have is this. It is by Avant skincare, and it is the Hyaluronic Replenish Lip Balm. So when I did my intro video, this weighed in at 10 grams, and it's now currently weighing in at 9 grams. So I've only used a gram, but I have actually used this a lot, which is bizarre. But yeah, we'll keep on using it. It doesn't feel like there's a lot left in there actually, which is absolutely great. This feels gorgeous on the lips, but it does sink into the skin very quickly. Sometimes when it comes to like lip balms and stuff, I do like it to sit on my lips, but my lips must just be absorbing this because they need it, because they're dry and crusty. But yeah, let's get it used up. We'll see what it's like at the next check-in. Well, let's have a little recap on the 10 products that I am going to be, fingers crossed, using up ASAP. The first one is this by Body Shop, and it is their Pure Resurfacing Liquid Peel. Second product is this by the brand Sukin, and it is their Original Hydrate and Mist Toner. Third product is this by GlossyBox. It is their 3-in-1 Moisturiser. Fourth product is this by Able Skincare, and it is their Anti-Aging, Retexturing and Resurfacing Duo Moisturiser. Fifth product is this by Freshly Cosmetics, and it is their Blue Radiance Enzymatic Serum. If I could say it, it would be great. Product is this by Veda. It is their Purifying Day Cream. Seventh product is this by RenEye, and this is their Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. Eighth product is this by the Organic Pharmacy, and it's the Hyaluronic Acid Serum. The ninth product is this by Cantu. This is their 100% pure all natural cacao butter raw blend with shea butter and coconut oil. And the 10th and final product is this by Avant skincare, and this is their lip balm. So let's see what I can get through out of these 10 products. So even more exciting, let's have a little recap on the products I've managed to use up since the induction video. So we have this. It's Probiotic by Doctor's Formula, and it's their Repairing 12-Hour Day Moisturiser. We have the Vitamas Pineapple Gommage Peeling Gel. We have the Snow Fairy Body Lotion by Lush. We have the Doctor's Formula Power Active Turmeric Lotion, the Skin Chemist Youth Series Green Caviar Eye Serum. We have Pixie Collagen Tonic. We've got Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, and we have Mono Skin Rosewood Reviving Mist. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my god, 8 products. Definitely deserve a pat on the back. I am well chuffed. with that. Right, so I am now going to pop these little bad boys away so I can start using them ASAP. And yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.